I'm going to make a little bit of a change to how this looks so I can fit things on screen and just play to the metronome. So one thing, especially when we get into more things, because we will get more advanced here, got to make sure your entire guitar is in frame right now, or when you make your videos, because right now it's basically like this is what I'm seeing. Like I don't see what's going on over here. So got to make sure everything is in frame. So if that means maybe just put your phone on, instead of tall, flip it. So put it down like that. Maybe that'll fix it all. But yeah, because especially because you mentioned the let's see, like hitting the muted E and A, or hitting the muted E string while strumming the A and D strings. So I want to see more of like what your left hand's doing, and we're going to be doing stuff here where you really got to make sure that the left hand's able to do some muting stuff. So with this just being 2 strings, I'm hoping you can get your thumb up over the top of the guitar to help with the muting. So let's see, regarding the hitting the muted E string when you're strumming, as long as that's muted, that's why we mute it. So no big deal. If you're not hearing anything that you don't like, then you're okay. So I'm always hitting muted strings, especially going fast. Like that's inevitable. It's going to happen. So again, as long as your muting is on point, you're okay. Timing was fine. This definitely sounded good to me. And wrist action. So possibly. So like when you're doing strumming stuff, it's basically like this kind of motion that you're making, or that you want to make. And the best description I've heard is someone said, pretend or think of it like your hand is wet and you're just trying to shake off the water. That's basically the motion you're making there. For strumming type stuff like this. It's a little bit different when you're doing a lot of fast downstrokes or fast upstrokes, or even reaching that kind of speed there, but for the most part, that's how you'd want to be strumming it. So like the arm is rotating like this. So it's not really the wrist doing these kinds of things. It's that. The arm is rotating like that. Now the arm might move a bit like this when you're doing big strums. So like the elbow going down and up like that. Yeah, but for the most part, it's kind of like that motion right there. And I might shorten it up a bit. Use some thumb to help out, but yeah, that's kind of the idea. Just strumming like that. Shake the water off. Alright, so what we got here for the new things, I got this rhythm to start. We have quarter notes, half note, quarter notes. Quarter, half, quarter. So that strums on beat 1. This strums on beat 2, and it rings out across 2 and 3. Strum again on beat 4. So here we have a dotted half note followed by a quarter note. So a dotted half note rings out for 3 beats. It's 3 quarter notes long. So in this line, we're going to strum on beats 1 and 4, and then we flip it. So then we strum on beats 1 and 2. So flipping it, meaning we, instead of going dotted half note, quarter note, we do quarter note, then dotted half note. And then down here, we start getting some eighth notes again. And first we start with 2 eighth notes, then 3 quarter, then 4 eighth notes, 2 quarter, 6 eighth notes, 1 quarter. So we just increase the amount of beats filled with eighth notes for the last part there. So I just want to make a change on this so I can have everything on screen while I'm playing here. Up and down. There, would that get it all? Almost. Okay, well that's most of it. I just won't be able to see that last chord at the bottom, but that's the one we always start with anyway, so I think that'll be okay. So let me play this. It's 60 and then 100. Maybe like 60, 100, and 140 if you feel like playing it faster. Yeah, let's do that. Do 60 first. So yeah, when you're strumming this stuff, you definitely want to have that thumb over the top. So when you get to that D5, your thumb's really got to come over there. So yeah, just use whatever you can to mute out those lower pitched unused strings. And I definitely have my thumb going up over here. So basically, if you can like grip the guitar like that, you should be able to have your thumb over the top when you're holding a chord. So hopefully that goes okay. You're gonna find out. All right, here we go. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. any questions come up, let me know. I will see you again in a new video that shows everything. Everything. Alright, see you then.